Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a very interesting token that is not really well spoken at the time making this video, and that token is called Lotto or LOTTO, right? Again, as always guys, if you guys want to learn more about this project and what it does, you guys can go to their website lotto.finance and learn about this project, right? So what is Lotto? Lotto is basically a decentralized lottery protocol, and it is on the Ethereum blockchain. So in basically, if you go to the website, you can clearly see when their lottos or lottery programs are conducted. It's on Tuesdays and Fridays at 8 p.m. EST. So 5 Lotto tokens are automatically removed from all user wallets, pooled together and given to one user at random, right? So if you hold Lotto tokens, your Lotto tokens will be automatically removed and will be pooled together in a basket or in a kind of like a smart contract, which will kind of like pick one random winner and will give the 5 tokens to them, right? Although this may seem like pretty much of a shady stuff, because when you hold tokens in your wallet, you don't really want like a project to take your tokens, right? But this is kind of like inbuilt on this project, so you might have to be aware of this if you are planning to buy Lotto tokens and holding it in your wallet. And if you see one day that your tokens have been reduced, you shouldn't freak out, because it's not like a hack or hijack. It's basically the project itself taking tokens from your account and is pooling it together and is giving it to one person who's a lucky winner, right? Simply hold Lotto to enter, and lottery is coded into the token itself. So basically, it's basically like a simple lottery mechanism that happens in any real life scenario. But in this case, it's done through smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain, and it kind of like does it in a way where you don't really have to worry about actively participating. It can be like a passive participation. If you hold a whole bunch of Lotto tokens, you can kind of see your Lotto tokens kind of removed from your wallet, and you may end up being the winner, or if you're lucky, and get all the 5 tokens or tokens from the other users as well, right? So that's pretty cool. So you can trade it on Uniswap. And the interesting thing about this token is that you can actually claim this token through an airdrop, which we'll talk pretty shortly. And if you are eligible, you will be able to get 400 Lotto tokens, right? So 5 Lotto tokens is the current entry price for the lottery, and there's like 11,470.90 Lotto tokens in the current weekly jackpot. So it's kind of like a weekly thing. Lotto winners and information is provided in their website, and they have a time period where you can see when the next lottery round is. So here are some of the information about the lottery date. The recent date happened yesterday, and I think it's connected every Friday. So yesterday there was a draw. The entry price was 5 Lotto tokens to enter, and the winning address is kind of like mentioned here, and they won 11,000 Lotto tokens, right? And you can also see some of the previous winners and how much they won, and it basically provides more information on how you need to participate in this project, right? So basically, get Lotto tokens. If you're eligible, claim tokens from the airdrop or get them on an exchange like Uniswap. So basically, when you when you are eligible to get the airdrop, all you need to do is just claim your airdrop and then put your hold your tokens on your wallet, right? So that you can passively participate. It will automatically draw 5 tokens every week and will pool it together in a pool, and you will be a lucky winner will be drawn from the smart contract, completely unbiased, and a winner, random winner will be chosen, and they would win all the Lotto tokens, right? For that particular week. So that's pretty simple concept. It's a very interesting and cool concept. It's kind of like a gamification for the blockchain, which we definitely need, because blockchain technology is usually considered as a serious kind of like thing where people only do business and decentralized finance and NFTs and all that. But these kind of like projects definitely help to make it easier for people to understand that blockchain technology is not just for NFTs, DeFi, and all that. It's also for gamification as well, right? And these kind of projects make it possible, right? And there's also another project called Pool Together, which I'll cover in my future videos. But that's also something that that's a project that you will probably never lose by participating, but you have a lot of upside potential to gain, right? And they have their own native token as well, right? So if you see, you can claim the airdrop if you're eligible. Otherwise, you can buy the token from Uniswap, right? So wait for the lottery. Lotto holders will have the entry fee automatically deducted from their wallets through Lotto's unique start game function. No action is required from users in order to participate. Simply hold Lotto in your wallet. So basically, there will be an entry fee though. So that's something that you would have to bear in mind, because when you passively hold your Lotto tokens in your wallet, the entry fee is automatically deducted, which means every single week, if you hold 400 Lotto tokens, which you probably have claimed through your airdrop, every single week 5 Lotto tokens will be drawn away from it, plus a entry fee, which is basically paid in Ethereum gas. So if you have Ether in your wallet, it'll start reducing in value as well, because you're kind of paying for the fee, right? Because all smart contract applications on Ethereum need an Ether based fee. So if you see your Lotto tokens and your Ethereum kind of like vanish from your wallet, don't freak out. It's a part of the ecosystem, right? You don't really have to hold Ether in your wallet all the time, not only for security reasons, but also for preventing smart contract based projects like Lotto, Lot Finance, you want to prevent these kind of projects from taking your token without your permission, right? So again, like, this is something that you need to bear in mind if you are to participate in this project. And this is something that most people may not be interested in participating, but you will still be able to participate if you have some Ethereum on your token on your wallet, right? So that's something that's a pretty unique way by which they conduct their lottery. So check your wallet. If you win, the jackpot lotto will automatically appear in your wallet. So if you win, they will automatically deposit to your account in your wallet, and you don't have to worry about it at all. It's completely passive, except for the part where it may not be feasible for people to pay high gas fees, that too without their permission. I mean, they would obviously have to give authorization, but it will still be like something that will be passively done. So you have to be careful for that, right? Lotto is the world's first decentralized cross-border lottery system. Welcome to the world lottery of the future. This is the only lottery system built directly into an Ethereum token. The token is the lottery. Unlike a traditional lottery where players have to continuously buy tickets for every drawing, Lotto focuses on simplicity. Just acquire the tokens and hold. Again, pretty well explained and straightforward. So it's a Ethereum based token that you don't really have to manage actively. It's completely passively managed, right? Again, the participation rate for the current as of today is like 62%, and this dashboard kind of updates itself. And sometimes the lottery pool is very high depending on how many holders have claimed their tokens, and sometimes it's quite low. A lottery that can't be stopped. Lotto is immutable, meaning that the lottery will run continuously and no third party can stop it from occurring. After the time lock period has passed, anyone can call the start game function to commence the lottery. Governance is in the process of being implemented to give the community control over an address that will receive a small 2% tax from each week's lottery. This will ensure gas fees are covered for whoever initiates the lottery each week, right? So basically, there's a couple of things that we need to uncover when we talk more about this project, which is basically it's an immutable system. It's a lottery based system, but it's completely immutable and it cannot be stopped because it's fully decentralized. And it will run continuously every single week, and no third party can stop it, right? Pretty straightforward. After the time lock period has passed, so there's a time lock period that you need to be aware of once you claim your airdrop. Anyone can call the start game function. So let's say, for example, you hold the Lotto tokens, and after the time lock period has ended, which I'm not sure what the time lock period is, but maybe you guys may be able to find it on their website. So once the lockdown period is over, you will be able to call the start game function, if you want to start the lotto, like, drawing process. And what it will do is it will basically like initiate like a bunch of smart contract information that will kind of direct people, the smart contract to kind of direct, um, directly take the ether fee from their wallets, from people who hold lotto tokens on their wallets, and it will kind of like pool the tokens together and perform a random draw once a week, and will provide the winner with the tokens automatically without any form of like hindrance, right? So that's pretty cool. And if you see, the lotto token is also the governance token, and it's in the process of being implemented, which will give the community greater control to decide multiple factors, including one example that they mentioned here is basically over an address that will receive a small 2% tax from each week's lottery. So basically, uh, there will be a tax that's potentially going to be planned for this project, which will be like a small 2% tax from each week's lottery, that will be helpful to pay the gas fees for people who can't really afford it, right? And that will definitely be something, that will be something who will receive. So the 2% tax will be received by the person who actually initiates the start game function, right? So if you initiate the start game function, the 2% of the tax will probably go to you because you initiate the function, whereas the other people will still have to pay the fee, right? So again, they are trying to improve on it to make it much more easier and much more flexible, but at the same time, there is like a lot of people who will still not be finding this sufficiently justifiable to get ether gas prices taken out of their wallets, especially when the Ethereum price is very high and the Ethereum network is very slow and highly clogged. You can't really like justify taking fees, but at the same time, if you hold this token or if you claim the airdrop, you have to be very careful with that, right? You can also go to their website and learn about their team, the community, and all the other information that will be relevant for you to do your own research. Again, don't consider this video as financial advice. If you watch this video and you claim your airdrop and one day you notice that you have lost some lotto tokens and some ether on your wallet, then it's not really my fault. It will be basically your responsibility to do your own research. And if you're investing in this token or holding it in your wallet, bear in mind that it will automatically start participating on the lottery, right? So please bear that in mind. So with regards to the airdrop itself, so you can basically take a look and see if you have claimed, if you are eligible for the airdrop. So you can go to the website and click the claim lotto airdrop button, which will take you to a portal where you can connect your wallet and see if you are a participant of some other projects, and based on that you would be able to claim the lotto tokens itself. It says see which projects are eligible to claim here. So this is, if you click this link, this is the link that will take you to a Medium page, which we'll read in a few seconds. Basically, download MetaMask, blah blah blah. I think it talks about MetaMask, and it says connect your wallet and click the claim button and pay the gas fee, right? So after claiming your lotto, add the contract to your wallet to see your tokens in MetaMask. Click on add token and fill in the token contract address with the contract address listed below, right? The rest of the information should autofill and the token should be visible. So you basically, this is once you claim your airdrop, if you don't know how to see your tokens, you basically click the copy the contract address here and then paste it on MetaMask to see your lotto tokens, right? The lottery that can't be stopped, which is their main kicker. And let's go to their Medium page and see how to claim your airdrop for the lotto token, right? So Lotto, the first ever lottery token, goes live this week via airdrops to DeFi users. So basically, this token was airdropped. The initiation of airdrop happened on the 25th of January, and you can go to this Medium page and see if you have a claim on the airdrop, right? So you can basically, they basically talk about what is Lotto and how it works, which is something we've covered recently. So airdrop claim information, the airdrop claim portal will go live on Jan 28th. Or on Jan 29th, okay? And if you see below, here's a list of who can claim. So these are the 4 groups of people who can claim the 400 free lotto tokens. Registrants of the airdrop via Telegram and 4chan. If you have registered for this airdrop on Telegram or 4chan, you will be eligible for the airdrop, right? Or if you are up firing token holders UFR 5x claim bonus, which is basically like a unique feature for people who hold UFR tokens, and if you do, then you are eligible to claim the Lotto airdrop. Pool Together users, as I was saying, Pool Together is another project which is aiming to gamify and make the gamification of lottery and pooling, and like make it in a completely decentralized manner, which is also something that you can look into. But at the same time, if you have already used Pool Together, then you may probably also be eligible for this airdrop. Anyone who owns a top DeFi token, so if you don't qualify for any of the other 1 to 3 options listed here, if you qualify for the 4th one, you're still eligible, right? So the 4th one is basically a snapshot was taken on January 18th of 50 top DeFi projects. If you owned one of the following tokens in the wallet you control, you are eligible to claim 400 Lotto, right? So I believe on or before January 18th, if you had held any of these tokens, you are eligible for the 400 Lotto tokens, right? So basically this is 0x, 1inch, Aave, Acropolis, Alpha, Ampleforth, Augur, Badger, Balancer, Bancor, Band, Bella Protocol, Bonley, Bounce, BZX, Chainlink, Compound, Cream Finance, Curve DAO, Seavault or Core, Phantom, Frontier, Gnosis, Injective Protocol, Keep 3R, Keep Network, Kyber Network, Loopring, Melon, Mirror Protocol, Numerai, NXM, Orion Protocol, Parsec, Perpetual Protocol, PowerPool, Ramp, Request Network, Reserve Rights, Serum, SushiSwap, Swipe, Synthetics, Telor, Terra, UMA, Uniswap, Sayo Network, Yearn.finance, and Yield App, right? So again, there's a huge variety. So for Uniswap, if you see the specific conditions that says, if you are one of the top 100,000 token holders, only then can you claim this airdrop, right? So there's a huge list of tokens. Again, the same thing applies for Compound Finance and Chainlink. For others, again, also for 0x. So for others, if you hold even a small amount, you will probably be eligible, right? So that's something that's very interesting. So again, if you guys want to check it out yourself, I suggest you to see if you are eligible for the airdrop. Upfiring UFR holders and Pool Together users. If you owned more than one UFR on the date of the snapshot, you're eligible for a 5x claim bonus and can claim 2000 Lotto per UFR address. So again, if you were a UFR holder on the date when the snapshot was taken, which is 18th of January, right? So you can probably claim to 4x the regular amount, which is basically 2000 Lotto tokens instead of 5x the claim, which is instead of 400 Lotto tokens, you can get 2000 Lotto tokens for every address that you held your UFR on this particular snapshot date, right? Or if anyone who has ever bought a Pool Together DAI, Uni or USDC ticket was eligible for 400 Lotto tokens as well, right? Anyone who has an address that has ever interacted with a Pool Together version 2 contract is eligible to claim 400 Lotto tokens as well, right? So again, that's pretty much it with regards to the airdrop and the project itself. Let's go to their CoinGecko page. So Lotto token is currently not really ranked on CoinGecko, but it's currently trading at 24 cents per token, which roughly is about a few $100 worth of the token if you are eligible for the airdrop. And it kind of dipped in price and at about 6.8% in the past 24 hours. The market cap of information is not available. Again, since the token has been going down, if you see your 400 tokens is only going to be worth $97, right? And if you are looking to claim the airdrop, I would suggest you to probably wait still the ether gas fees goes down, because sometimes, depending on whether the price of the lotto token, which is still volatile though, depending on what the price of the lotto token is, you may actually end up losing money by claiming this airdrop, rather than by just waiting, right? Because if you claim the airdrop, you might as well just sell it as soon as possible if you're not planning to participate in the ecosystem. Because if you keep it in your wallet, and if you have a little bit of a gas, if ether present in your wallet, you will be able to see your ether and lotto kind of being removed to participate in the pool, which you may or may not win, right? So that's something that you need to bear in mind. The circulating supply is 2 billion tokens is the max supply, and the circulating supply information is not currently given. Again, since they're giving out airdrops, you can only expect them to have like such high levels of max supply. So again, it's not in any way kind of like considered as a good investment in my personal opinion, because there's not a lot of use cases for this token. But it is something that I want to provide you guys, because I just want to provide you an option if you are into these kind of lottery kind of things, right? So the 24-hour trading volume is $1.6 million, which is pretty low. That shows that this project is highly volatile. If you look at the maximum chart period for this token, the price feeds are available since 1st of February, and it was trading at 11 cents per token. It kind of like shot up instantly immediately after the information was available and the project went live, and it went to about 30 cents per token, and then dropped back down, went back up violently, drops back down violently, and then had a very steep parabolic rise somewhere around 12th of February, where it was above 40 cents for a time period, and then like sharply declined, and then it's kind of been in a declining trend. It was in a declining trend till the 17th of March, when the price of the token started pumping again. It reached relative all-time highs of 28 cents for March, and then it declined again and reached 19 cents, and then went back up, and now it's kind of declining again. So it's a very volatile asset. I hope you guys are very careful if you guys want to trade this token, or if you feel like you want to hold this token for the long run. Although I wouldn't really recommend doing so, because there's not a lot of fundamental use cases for this token. Its max supply is also ridiculously high, and something that you wouldn't really want to hold as an investment, right? It's a gambling token. You may win, you may lose. The chance of you winning is going to be very low. The only thing that will definitely like happen is, if you participate, you are going to have a lot of ether in your wallet, because you will be paying a lot of gas fees, right? So again, I wouldn't really touch this token. I wouldn't really personally buy this token. I do believe that I am eligible for the 400 lotto token, but I'm not going to claim it at this moment, because there's no point in claiming it. First of all, you're only going to get $97, right? As of the time I'm making this video, it's currently $97 worth of tokens, which I believe about 50 to 60% of it will go for gas fees, and you're only basically claiming about $20 to $30, and that's not really worth it, because you can't really do anything with it, because if you try to sell it, you'll be paying even more gas fees, which means you'll be at a loss, right? But something that you guys can keep in mind in the future, once the gas price goes down, you can probably like claim it and then sell it as soon as possible, so that you can have like another $100 or something, close to $100, which you can probably use as a play money for several other important projects that we'll cover in this channel, right? So if you look at the Bitcoin comparative, again, it's pretty much had similar patterns to the dollar comparative, and it was initially trading at 410 Satoshi range, and then kind of had this very volatile moment, and then it kind of went back down to its all-time lows of about 200 to 190 Satoshis per token, and then recently in March it kind of spiked back up to about 350 Satoshis, and then now it's kind of spiking, kind of moving sideways, right? So again, there's no point in investing in this token with your spare Satoshis or Bitcoins. I would probably hold off on that, and maybe invest in some really cool and unique projects, I wouldn't really touch this token, right? But again, that's not financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your money, and please don't consider this as financial advice. If you want to invest in this token, please do your own research as well, right? So you can obviously get this token from Uniswap. You can also get it from Hotbit, Bilaxy, and Catex. Again, all the other three exchanges are very untrustworthy. So I would exercise caution whenever you guys are planning to get any of these kind of tokens from these kind of tier 2 or tier 3 exchanges. Uniswap is the best place, although at the time of making this video, the gas price is very high, and this transaction speeds are very low. It is going to be like this for the current time being, but once Ethereum 2.0 rolls in, hopefully this token appreciates in price, which makes it much more worthwhile to claim the airdrop and dump the token immediately, so that it can, you don't have to worry about participating in this ecosystem, right? Again, that's just my thought. I just want to share this with you guys. For people who like to participate in lotteries, this token doesn't really have any form of long-term viability, in my opinion, because it's kind of like a gambling, and it's also quite expensive, and it doesn't really have a lot of use cases that would definitely entice most people. But for people who wanna take some time off and participate in some form of gamification, this project as well as Pool Together are some of the gamification based tokens and projects out there, and that would probably be the place for you to go, right? There are several other gamification based projects, but we'll cover some of them in our future videos, right? Again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.